I was look here. What the eye for? What the eye is for? What the eye is for? Hold on, let me start. Maybe go start off back over that live. Yeah. Why you know who? I I don't know why. Why you jump on me as me said that? Me say me make a messed up call last night. Couldn't you like said it was some alright, hold on, let me never come because so why on the summer you say that me do? As me tell you say me make a shake up call last night. Why you think like automatically you just think that me do? Bro, me make a freak up call last night. Like when the room tell you he's a big dancer. Bend is a big we eat too well. Well, I don't just say when we eat a drink so we know. Really? Guys, but una no know who do. Listen to me. No, listen to guys. Well, I know. Me not tell you now who so why uno practically think said that already. Uno even give bomba. I can't even talk to that. Oh my God. Nice and so we good. Well, we nice and so we good. Oh my God. Wait, no. Listen to me. Me I feel laugh. I me get up this morning and look on my phone, I realize, no, nobody who name lobster. Look here, we don't know who name lobster. We don't know who name. Look here, don't call lobster over here, so we don't want you know about lobster. We no responsible lobster. We done with that. We done with that. Lobster done with.
And it can see my
Live here. Yeah, by the way, more restart. So me link you an idea. Me I go and rank you. Me rank today, so me link you here.
Alright, later.
Alright. Oh my God. You okay? Bro, yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay, honestly, I'm nice. I'm okay. And we listening, we don't judge. Girl, you guys, you're gonna judge me. You're gonna judge me. You definitely are gonna judge me. I swear. You guys are gonna try to make me talk. And the moment you guys are gonna judge me. Oh my God. When we get up this morning, and looking at the rotted old phone, I'm like, somebody text me or somebody call me and wake me up. Oh, you wake me up. You in the comment section wake me up. You call me and me jump out of my sleep. And I didn't know, me look at WhatsApp, I said, Jesus Christ. Oh my God, I'm gonna take you back, but the message go out already, bro. The message go out already, my youth. Oh my God. I will never drink more Hennessy. I think me for avoid Hennessy. Yeah, I think me for avoid certain like a thing that drink it. What you do? I make a call. I sent out message last night and thing. I said some things in the message and it go through. Alright, so me the judge. You not judge me cause me the drunk, right? Even right now, me still nice. Bro, me really and truly text him last night, guys. Me not lie, what a freak. Me text him last night. Me go tell you what me say. Alright, let me tell you what happened. Me in a club, right? And with me see one video. And the video get underneath my skin, like me see the video, and when me see the video now, me know say me go in the car. Oh my God, me send a message, me know me send a message for true. And when I play back the freaking message, me can't hear when, so him reply, bro. Him reply and say, how much time I tell you, say me not know the person. You keep on ask me, me never see the person yet in life. You keep on ask me that, bro. So me send him one other message. I can like me delete that one day and next make me give him a be a middle finger, me give him like be a middle finger, me give him. And he say he say you're welcome. No, my God, when me give me middle finger, they're about whole heap of them make me give. Me know say I whole heap of middle finger like me just a press be a middle finger like fuck you, bitch. I was like fuck you, but I alcohol, guys. I literally alcohol. That it was not me. Like a lot of middle finger me sing, and it takes back and say thank you. Oh my God. I know say how much time I tell you say me not there with Plummy. I know say that he said to me. He say how much time I tell you say me not there with Plummy. I tell you say me never see her in person. I say oh shoot. Bro, what me say? I'm not telling nothing. 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 Soon as you make me talk, when I go start, I know you guys. When I go freaking start for me, bro. I don't want to see you guys. And I could have take back your freaking message. I take it back. And I could have take back the message. I would take it back. Seriously. Well, you have a point for true. You have a point for true. Talk before him talk. That's true. That's true. But it's just an innocent thing. Don't say anything more. Okay. I feel like we call him. I don't see nothing in the kitchen for me to get some tea. I'm going to beg somebody get the tea for me. Move from here, so we list that we don't judge. We don't judge people like one. We don't judge people more than judge itself. I'm not going to kill myself, you know, we are all human beings. Oh my God, why am I charging now work? My phone not charge. My phone not charge. My phone not charge. I guess. Drink some tea. Yeah, I drink. Yeah. I guess it's true. I drink some tea. I did guess it's true. Do you, girl? Of course, always, Annie. I think you still have just true feelings for him is natural. I not say I not have feelings for him. I have feelings for him, but I hate him on top of it. That's it. I hate him on top of it. Of course, I have feelings for him. I never like, every time I tell them to say, it wasn't for me, it wasn't a game. It may be a game for the person, but it wasn't a game. You understand? I did really and truly love a person. But me hate him on top of it. That's how I feel. But bro, I don't know how I go down last night. Yeah, man. I was so freaking nice, don't say. And it just made they will judge. Me know them are gonna judge. At certain time, you just, you know how I feel. All right, me a human being. I am a human being. Like, Alright, so what do you, alright, he text what do you, but him text from my daughter phone. And him tell my daughter if I make sure say me safe. And me feel like him know. Me feel it from like him literally me have to go read over the text like him me feel him never like the idea me the run lobster Kevin, you know. He don't want nobody hurt me. So him tell my daughter say yo, me want to talk to me. So I never did want to talk to him at the time. You get me? I never did want to talk because, as I said, I'm angry. I'm still eat him. So I said, I not talk to him. Right? And in text and say, okay then. In text and say, you know, if it, make sure I'm safe, you understand me, mind that do they hurt me and whatever. You understand me, if it be safe. Yeah, everybody asks her who. Guys, when I'm glad enough for no who. I'm glad enough for no who. Who would not talk with right now? You guys know. Alright, who no know that's good for no. This a rock and come in when I start over back a convo. Take something more. Okay, hold on just say. Bro, I wish if me can remember me wish if me can take back my message. I tell me say talk something else. Me wish if me can take back my freaking message them. Me feel fucked up now when I'm morning, bro. Me wish if we gonna take you back like literally and me be like, fuck you, bitch. Like I wish if we gonna take you back. Alright, tell me something else. Talk to me. Somebody come up in the comment section and talk to me a little bit. Let me take my mind off it, please. Somebody contact me, like send more requests. Come, somebody that's gonna give more different topic. Talk to me. Things happen. I'm running.
You now hear me?
You may hear now.
What that one? How was the party last night?
Girl, the party was lit.
You
What
say
was
you enjoy yourself, man.
huh?
You say you enjoy yourself. You say everybody enjoy themselves.
Master, we full jar ourselves like no joke. We full jar ourselves. It was
I
crazy.
watch I but sleep with a lit me come from work about 12 o'clock.
Oh, but you know when I only think because my life did dark, but I think the life did on don't.
Yeah, they did on. You did on. But I mostly D live me did a watch still because you did a freeze.
Oh, Master, it is nice. Me not lie to you when meet all people. Oh God, the people them. Me not lie. Send the people. Big up on herself. Me not lie to you. No. You know make good girl feel good down here. Me not lie. People them so pleasant. A lot of them are so pleasant. A lot of them come out to see me. Girl, it was crazy. The place packed. When me say pack, me mean pack.
You say pop master,
Yes.
yeah, me you got to have one carry me that after reach so cause they are me girl, you know, me love deep bad.
Yeah, for true. She said, yes, I saw we sent this. Me say, oh my God, it was so crazy. Bag of picture taking, videos. It was crazy. I mean, I like, selector, you deserve every money pull up you get.
You
Yeah.
just did I say one. See,
Big up
black
to
jazz.
God. No, sir, me say they slaughter me. I me look a piece of dress last time. Me say they done me. But me feel good. They say once me dress and me comfortable, me no business. Me say they
You got to go
done
around with
me.
the clothes. Your clothes look good and you put on one panty to match. You know, put on an eye color panty, one black color panty, and the panty not big, and the panty sit down, and you look good, yeah, girl.
Yeah, talk truth. Nice little G string.
Yeah, you look good, man.
Yeah.
Love it. And like you put on something for the occasion. It's a club you're going and you need nothing more than that.
That's true. That's true. Yeah, really nice. Honestly, nice to wake up with the idiot. Everybody asleep.
You have to want some tea. Get some tea, because you see when you drink liquor, you need some tea in your system to try to flush it out.
Oh. Mm. I could have find some. I'm good enough here, but oh my god. Cause like one take sick up here, like sick one take me. Guys, what she say? A fox. Guys, hold on there. Me ask now a question. Chat. A rank where rank, you know? So everybody run gun because we in the ear say we are rank. Oh God, man, me not like guys. Me I beg gonna support we in our ranking. Oh God, me I catch fluid. Oh God. Hey, Island girl, what's up, baby? Me not like to you. Say what she said this while ago, a real truth. Because me have some pitney and me I tell her the truth. Me not. Yeah, guys, she not tell no lie. Me not lie to you guys. Double tap. Cause me love my pitney them. A lot of people feel like I don't. But just to how me grow up. Thank you, baby Island girl. Thank you. Right, to all me end up grow up. And next me come and me have my kids them and me not lie. Me think some my kids them would have helped me in a certain way because me struggle, you know, me struggle hard. Me struggle. I hear she talk about mackerel. Me rotted. Me remember me have to eat rice with oil. Boilish, thank you, baby. Remember, I have to eat rice. I'm going to get a piece of tomato from out the door with some cooking oil. I'm going to find one piece of onion. I'm going to cut up that. You hear me tell you? And steam look rice and share it, give me kids them. I'm going to couldn't eat none because you can't share. I'm going to have to share it in front of all of them, make them eat. You hear me tell you? I inbox you. Okay, baby. Right? So then you should talk about eat mackerel and ray. You're surprised somebody tell you couldn't even find mackerel for eat. You hear me I tell you? You're surprised you couldn't even find mackerel for eat. Me I tell you that. Right? And next, me see me have me youth them and please respond. Alright, me too. Alright, watch this so. And there's one day, you know, I'm going to tell you something. Remember one day, you know, guys, double tap me quick catch your speed, please. Remember one day, I go to one church, right? And when I go to the church, me hear say the pastor will help me. And baby girl, me not have no fear. I'm going to go up at the church, me I tell her, guys, catch your speed. Everybody, double tap, guys, double tap, chat. As I say, remember one day, right? I walk and go up at one church. I never have no money. Right? So I have to walk a good distance because I hear say pastor like for help, like give people things and food for them family. And I tell you say, my baby father them time they didn't wash car. Thank you. Guys, double tap guys, make catch his speed. My baby father them time they didn't wash car. So you know say kinda slow. So anyway, I walk go up at the church. When I go up at the church, I turn up at the church, a good time up there, you know. With the pastor, you know, girl, me shame, me afraid for ask the pastor for things, right? So anyway, I muscle up my courage, I muscle up everything in me. And I ask him and tell him, say, I need some help and even look at food stuff. At the time, my father having big old shop, you know. My father and my stepmother have them big old shop, you know. But they would even look at me and give me a sweetie because my stepmother hate me. You understand? And I go up at the pastor and I beg the pastor, guys, I beg gonna help me push up his score now, please. Right? And I beg the pastor for some food stuff for the kids them. And when I beg the pastor tell me say yes. After church don't know, we go over him yard. Right? Give me one big old fall cube where lay day night where lay egg. And I stand up at the doorway and him pack the bag. And after him pack the bag now, he say, if me a come in, guys, two rows chat. He say, if me a come in, and me say, I'm just walking, because I know a pastor, but me dey turn up at the doorway. Because you know, like when time I come here, they say, come in. And he show me the grocery bag. When me look in the bag, he give me a whole heap of tin things, Lasco and then something there. You know, milk powder. You remember milk powder? Yeah, him give me milk powder and then something there. Guys, me I beg gonna support the live chat. Guys, I want to shoot pan the double. Shoot pan the double, guys. Remember, see me a rank, alright? So after me reaching my pastor house now, I did me seeing give me little things. Then me feel nice, you know, girl. After it pastor come so boobs and take out $2,000 out of my pocket, give me. And like me turn on to take up the grocery. And this one how the man just come grab me back way. Like literally my heart just jump. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. Thank you for the galaxy. My heart, you know, like your heart jump. Thank you, baby. I give you a follow also. My heart jump when him grab me back way. This day, so now the pastor tell me how much he like me and one bag of sinting. As a big man, you know. And you see to him grab me back way, it's like you can't say a force because he must squeeze up my breast at the same time and he must grab me up and me try to release myself from him. And me have a little bag of grocery and me just drop a bag of grocery and the egg. Drop a bag of grocery and the egg, girl. You see me? And come so boobs and flash out time and come out of the house. And my heart a beat. I want the grocery them. I want something them for give kids. But to what the man I do, yo, and to how him attack me back way, my heart a beat, me I tell you. I know say me left back there so hungry and go back on my yard. My left there so hungry and go back on my yard. And I go back home and tell my baby father what happened. You understand? Baby father say, I lie. And they say, no, I pack my bag. And I tell everybody in my local communities, in my yard, everybody me tell in my yard, say, I get work at Kingston. Yeah. I tell everybody in my yard, say, I get work at Kingston. And pack up one look bag. And they say, what type of work you get? I say, housekeeping job. And I say, yeah. And I tell my baby father too, say, I get housekeeping work. And I go to Kingston. And if I Kingston, I go first. First place I go, I'm Mobile. And girl, every night I go work, every night I go in a one club, bleach. None of my pity them no. Every night I dip on the pole, every night I dance and make me look a tip. And come back home and tell them, say, yeah, me go do housekeeping work. But one day now, my baby father go search my bag. Because baby father fast, you know. So I'm search my bag to rotted wall and go see the little piece of string them in the bag, the G-string and the little pum print and pum cut out and them something then go find in the bag. So instead of the man know me, they think him not gonna get mad at me, like I think he was gonna be angry, like, you know. Him get angry and I look at first half, you know. Right? In the first half him get angry. Hold on there, guys. Hold on there, guys.
Appreciate it so much.
Guys, so the big up my MVP for me now, please. Hold on, sir. Become my MVP, guys. Hold on. Guys, you get a glove and a light. Right, you have a clock, guys. Go to all of my gifters, guys. Everybody who double tap, guys. Thank you so much. All right, we're gonna play one more. Just one more. One more. Yeah.
Okay, then I can go as well. I will try to invite someone else.
Yeah, so when him do find out, say, me a dance, him did vex at first. But afterward, now me and him go in a bed and do look love making and me tell him, sorry, he agree with me. He agree, say yes. He understand and me fi go on back at work and me no fi make nobody know. You understand what me I say? Him all start influence me. And when me I pack my bag for go a girl, he might pack he clothes them in the bag. Him see you wanna pack the clothes them in the bag for me go. Kissy kids them tell him say me gonna work. You understand me? Kissy kids them say me gonna work and thing. Left again, me gone back on the road. When me take a stop, baby father now a call me and ask me if like me work tonight, my baby father go call me and ask me, you no make no money last night. I remember one day my friend decided me, you know, and here when my baby father asked me that question there, you know, you no make no money last night. And my friend get mad. I say, why fucking if you come and ask you that? Him a pimp? And me know the pan, no man, no, I can't have the kids them. And my friend I said, no, you know if you making come ask them the question there. Him is a pimp. You understand me? I say, him a man, and him fi go walk. And you know, me calm down my friend. I'm a work. I remember one night now, right, my father find out, guys, catch his speed. When my father find out, say me a dancing at the club. My baby father deny everything, say him no know nothing about it. My baby father say he no know nothing. They don't know nothing, say me in a club a dance. You understand me? I say, baby, thank you. Thank you for the Galaxy Queen. Thank you for the rose. Yeah. Me say him deny it to the whole family. Say he no know nothing. Say me a dance on stage. You understand me? Even when time me a dance and me thief him money from the man can't come give him. Right? In deny it, act like he no know nothing. You understand what me I say? Because the night when me thief the money from the man, come give me, he did happy, that's why I say some man licky and wicked. They say, girl, you have to understand life, right? Yeah, some man wicked and licky. You understand me? Because the night when me thief that the man the money there. Hey, a whole heap of things me do for take care of my penny for true, A whole heap of things me do. Because I never forgot the big man when me take the money from. He was an American, you understand? And the man is a liar. He's a liar, right? So me in at the club and he choose me to carry home with him. And boom, so now me and my friend go take we go take extra seat. Them time they will call it extra seat. You call it. Nowadays them call it Mali, right? But them time they are extra seat. So me and my friend know they take the extra seat in the club at night. So you know, say we're nice, girl. We're nicer than nice. So the man see me and the man choose me for send for carry me home, so pay the boss to carry me home. Or two different things. Oh, okay, extra see me attack then. So him pay the boss, thank you baby, sexy thank you, him pay the boss for carry me home. And girl, me and the man go home the night. And me I tell you say, we did it and me hold a look shower because I remember say me did in at the club. Yeah baby. And me did it with the man, and the big man comes up, boops into rotted, and he come like say, oh God. Maybe because him a one big man, him can't manage me. Because girl, me I tell you say the extra say in my body, Good girl, me I tell you say me dip and look old man a ride him, you can't see him under pressure. Me go back way, me turn side way, me go pa my ears, me go pa my nose, me go pa my eyelash. The man saying, can't, oh my God, take time. But remember, say the pill in me at work, so God have merciful, no man. So anyway, a man tap out and end up going lie down on the bed and drop asleep. Good girl. Me did it and me don't know. I don't know. I couldn't sleep. Me tormented. Me want sex. Sex. Oh God, my honey like a goat. My honey. Me not like to see you. My honey want sex. And it's a big man that can't help me. So you know, say me did it and go in a shower. Me take a look at shower and cool down my body and thing and come back out. Lie down beside him, I get it feel like me a spin pan the bed. Anyway, me get up and I come so boobs on side way and look and me see the man pants pocket. And I come so and Joe, they look the him wallet from out time pants pocket and when me take a start girl a whole heap of US. Yo the man blood clot wallet thick. They come like he can't lock. Yeah, I saw a wallet thick. So, I come and take my two walkie shot. But anyway, as I say, I did it, I take up the man wallet. And good girl, I take my two little finger and come and just dip in the middle of the wallet. So, I remember saying, a whole heap of money in the man wallet in a girl. So, I come so boops and just jam my finger in the middle part and just scoop out it. After I come so boop and scoop kick out, I just come and get the condom, put back the wallet right on the blood clot table. You ever boop back the wallet, put back the wallet in the pants and drop back the pants. So I come so boops and take the money and roll up the money, girl, and get the condom and push down the money in the condom. And I think I said, Jesus Christ, post a man get up and figure out say me thief him money. Me afraid the whole time, So you know what me do now? Me take the money, with the money when I put in the condom, oh God, man, I'm going to the bathroom and just skin out my pum and just push it up in there like a one tampon. I want to you and lock that tight. So I'm to your pum tight that now gone away. Anyway, you guys, double tap on it. Guys, we could focus on the match. Because I know this sound and I focus on it, not even tap on that tap and scream. I not talk nothing, no go on.